Hello, I'm Captain Tom. This is my beautiful wife, Captain Heidi. We're going to be your trip leaders this year on the 2018 Abacos Getaway. This is definitely going to be a trip of a lifetime. Miss Heidi, what does our scheduled trip look like?
First day, Lake Okeechobee.
Lake Okeechobee will be Wednesday, arriving at Roland Martin Marina Tiki Bar. Hey, why don't we go ahead and put that into the Bahamas bucket list. Day 2.
That would be Pirates Cove.
Pirates Cove. You know the real reason we're going to Pirates Cove? Captain Heidi here needs a new shirt.
Yep.
We'll explain this all a little later about the trip. Day 3, Friday the 15th. Welcome to the Bahamas. We will be arriving at Old Bahamas Bay on West End. That is also where we're going to do our check-in. That's where we're going to do our immigration paperwork. It's going to take us just a little bit of time. Great location. You guys are going to love that destination. From there, we're heading down to the Abacos Resort, Marina Harbor. Now, we did call this trip the Bahamas Bucket List trip. What we're doing here is taking suggestions, trip ideas, things that you'd like to do on this. We got a few suggestions of our own. Miss Heidi, I know that you got one that you're all lined up and excited about.
I do. Swim with the shark.
Fins to the left, fins to the right. I tell you what, that gives a whole different meaning to the song. So a great opportunity as well. I know Don back there has got his own bucket list item that he'd like to add to the trip. Come on up here, Don. Let the folks know what you're planning to do when you get over the Abacos there.
Well, we're going to swim with pigs at No Name Key, and I am not one of the pigs.
Oh, perfect, Don. We'll throw that in the list as well. Hey, Alan, I know you're back there as well. You're excited about going on the trip, and you got a destination that you picked out yourself over there to part of your bucket list trip.
Yes,
what
sir.
would that be?
I want to hit Hopetown, and they got awesome Bloody Marys there. That's my pick.
Hopetown and Bloody Marys. I tell you what, again, I'm going to add that to the bucket list. Got kind of a special one of my own. Bring it in close here. We're going to head to Nippers for the pig roast dinner. I tell you what, folks, if you're looking for a quiet Sunday afternoon, this is not the place to be. It's fun, it's loud, great music, a lot going on. This is the Abacos trip, Bahamas bucket list trip, 2018, brought to you by MarineMax of Venice and MarineMax of Cays. Please contact Lori White at 941-485-3388 for more details.